A luxurious midsize SUV, the 2024 Audi Q7 combines space, power, and connectivity. The main features are as follows. Price and decorations. Starting at $66.95, the Premium 45 is the base trim level for the Audi. It comes standard with a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and the MMI infotainment system. The engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder. At $64,495 base price, you may upgrade from the Premium trim to the Premium Plus 45, which adds amenities like heated front seats, a power folding third-row seat, and a surround view camera system. At its most expensive level, the Prestige 55 starts at $76,295 and includes a more potent V6 engine, adjustable air suspension to make the ride more comfortable, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems like parking sign recognition. Room for passengers and goods. The Q7 has 3 rows of chairs that can accommodate 7 people. Seats in the second row provide ample space for adults' legs, while those in the third row are more suitable for youngsters. There is plenty of room for cargo behind the second row, and you can acquire even more room by folding down the third row. Performance. 2 engine options are available for the 2024 Q7. In the Premium 45 and Premium Plus 45 trim levels, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. You can get 335 HP and 369 lb-ft of torque with the 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that comes standard on the Prestige 55 model. For improved handling and traction in a variety of weather conditions, Audi standardizes all-wheel drive on all Q7 variants. Features and technology. No matter the trim level, you'll get the standard Audi MMI infotainment system with the 10.1-inch touchscreen. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are all part of it. The 2024 Q7 comes equipped with a variety of driver assistance functions that come as standard, including as lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, and forward collision warning. Superior safety features, such as adaptive cruise control and the ability to recognize traffic signs, are available on higher model levels. If you're shopping for an SUV and value comfort, spaciousness, performance, and technology, the 2024 Audi Q7 is a strong contender.